Hello guys, let's do yesterday assignment. The our yesterday assignment is regarding print your name, your father name, your age, and your country name. It should print like this: name, your name on the display, and in the second line your father name, and in the third line age, and in the last line. Country. Here your country name. You should do this assignment as yesterday I have given. Let's try this one. So just open the text editor to write the instructions. Every C program must have main these instruction. Let's save this file in the D drive. Coding. I'm going to create a example 2. Inside example 2 I'm giving this file name as a printf assignment.c. You can give any name. Now I have given. Now I'm going to write this one. Printf. The first line should print on the console. Name. Here you need to give your name. Here I'm giving my name. I should go to next line. The cursor should go to next line. So I am giving /n. The instruction is completed. So I am giving semicolon. Here I have used printf. So printf declaration must be present in std.h. If you have not given this header file, this printf won't work. Okay, in the next line, what should I give? Father name. Here I'm giving my father name. /n. And in the next line, what should I print? Printf father name. And the next is age. So I'm giving my age as 28 /n semicolon. Printf country as India. Now I'm going to compile this one. Just open the Ubuntu. I have saved this file in D drive. Coding example2 folder. Printf assignment.c. The file name is. So go to mnt. We are at this location pw. We are at this in the root. So go to mnt. In mnt D drive is there. Yes, cd D drive. cd coding folder. cd example2. Example2. Now I'm going to compile this printf assignment.c. printf assignment.c. I have given it to the GCC compiler. GCC compiler compiled it to binary a dot output file. Let's check. Yeah, a dot output file is created. Earlier it was not there, right? So I'm going to launch it. I'm going to launch this a dot out. Before launching it, I will explain about what will happen when I launched it. The microprocessor control reaches to here this main. I will write the output here. The control reaches to here this main. So then after it will the microprocessor enter inside to this fifth line. I will note down the output in the console what will happen on the terminal. So it is going to print this sentence. name is there, say space is there, then after Chandru Srinivas, then after new line, /n means new line. It is similar to hitting enter on your keyboard, hit enter on your keyboard. So new line means the cursor now reaches to here, this position. And now the microprocessor found this is semicolon, so it is end of the line. Semicolon means so it will go to the next line. So next line is line number 6. Now it is going to execute this line. So what it has, printf and father name, father space name, then after space, then after column, Satyanarayana. Satyanarayana, then after new line, so the cursor goes to new line here. Now the microprocessor found semicolon, so it is end of the line, it is identified, then it will reaches to the next line. So in the line number 7, age space 28, then after again new line, so now the cursor reaches to here, this position, and now the microprocessor found it is a semicolon, so it will go to the next line, line number 8. Then after we have sentence country, then after space, then after column, then after India, then after /n is there. Now the cursor reaches to here, the microprocessor found semicolon here, it is end of the sentence, end of the instruction. So now it will execute this return. Return means we are returning from the application. The meaning for return 0, int here, and main hash include stu.h we will discuss in functions chapter. Now let me execute this one. Terminal I have opened. Yeah, I'm going to launch it. Hit enter. See, the output is same. In the first line it is name Chandru Srinivas, father name Satyanarayana, age 23, the country is India. Now the same program I am going to write in different form. Give me a minute. I am going to erase the same output. I will print using only one printf. The first line should be my name. Then after the cursor go to the new line. Then after here I am writing father name. Then after here age I am going to print. Age is 28. Then after I am going to print /n. Then after country, right? /n. Here I am leaving spaces. I am going to compile this code. GCC. Here it is saying one error is there in line number 5. I forgot to give the semicolon. Yeah, it is asked compiled successfully. I'm going to launch our output file. What will happen when I hit enter, when I launch this output file? The control reaches to here, this position. The control reaches to the main. So the processor execute from main. The next instruction, it is line number 5. I will note down the output here. on the terminal how it looks like. We are going to print name. Okay, name, and space is there, space is printed, then after space Chandu is printed, then after space is the space printed, after that one Srinivas, after that one what is the new line. New line means it is the cursor moves to the next line. So now not here, from here the cursor reaches to here. Then after what is there, father, space is there, name is there, then after space colon, then after what, new line. So now the cursor move to new line to here, then after space age colon 28, after 28 a new line is there. Now the cursor not printed on this, not here, it will move to next line. The next line country, colon is there, India was printed, then after new line down the cursor reaches to here. This would be the output. Let's check. You could say name in the first line, name was printed, in the second line father name, the third line age, the last line country India.